Dell views Emulex as a great partner for this idea of a converged network, or what we call a unified fabric. Fiber channel has a long history in front of it, and there will always be a subset of storage customers, we believe, that will require certain attributes of a fiber channel fabric that may not always be met by some of the other protocols out there. However, for the vast majority of customers, we see an opportunity for a unified fabric based upon Ethernet to allow us to converge that solution into one. With the idea of virtualization, once upon a time we were all able to assign a virtual machine to a specific NIC port on a server, and we were actually able to manage still in a very physical environment. But as more and more virtual machines are loaded up on individual servers, we're finding that there are far too many virtual machines to fit on any physical resource such as a specific server adapter or a NIC port. As that continues to scale and grow in terms of virtual machines running on a server, we see the opportunity, or we see the need actually, for increased bandwidth. And so in a gigabit world, while once in a physical environment that was sufficient for many servers, we're seeing that in virtualized environments you simply cannot get the same type of capability out of the server without increased bandwidth. So collectively with Emulex, we're moving forward in a world that takes advantage of the increased capacity of 10 gigabit and allows us to converge various protocols. So I mentioned fiber channel being important for quite some time, but at the same time, iSCSI is already available. And with things like data center bridging emerging and being embraced by the marketplace as it's adopted by technology providers such as Dell and such as Emulex, we see great opportunity for the fabric to become very integral into the overall storage experience, because now we can provide congestion management capabilities and flow control and improve quality of service. And it's all these capabilities that Dell and Emulex are partnering on today. So many of our customers today are telling us one of the unique attributes they find with the Emulex solution is that there's this backwards and forwards compatibility of the firmware driver. So as we talk to our customers and we hear their reaction, they really like this idea. And what this allows you to do is progress with the new technologies that are emerging. So you're no longer tied into a particular hardware platform with a specific firmware load, but instead we can deliver new capabilities together as new protocols are supported and as new technologies emerge. What that also allows you to do from a very practical perspective is not only manage that firmware transition very easily with technology transitions, but additionally you have the opportunity to have a single common server adapter as we move into the unified fabric space, where fiber channel and iSCSI and Ethernet and data center traffic all run across the same fabric. And now you can have the opportunity to have a single common server adapter in a wire-once environment. And for our customers, that's a great opportunity for them to reduce the overhead expense of managing additional Ethernet ports, of having to manage multiple fabrics, and having disparate fabrics that exist in a data center.